Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file LLC taxes step by step. Start by confirming whether your LLC is treated as a single member, multi-member, or corporation for tax purposes. Next, collect all income and expense documentation, including receipts and bank records. Then decide if you must file Form 1040 Schedule C, Form 1065, or corporate returns based on classification. I will walk you through forms, deductions, and payment timing in clear steps. Gathering documents makes tax filing far easier and reduces stress. Pull together all income, including 1099s and bank deposits, and match each item to business activities. Sort expenses into categories like supplies, travel, and rent, and include mileage logs if you use a vehicle. Locate invoices and asset purchase records to calculate depreciation correctly. Having organized files speeds preparation and helps support deductions if ever questioned. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tax guides. Quick recommendation: pick up an Echo Dot to make your workspace friendlier and cue tax checklists with voice commands. It's compact and great for background music while you file. I find it keeps me focused during busy bookkeeping sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Decide which tax forms apply based on your LLC classification and tax election. Single-member LLCs typically report on Schedule C with Personal Form 1040, while partnerships file Form 1065 and issue K-1s to members. Corporations use Form 1120 or 1120S when elected. Review deductible items like qualified business income, payroll, rent, and depreciation to lower taxable income. I will explain how to calculate each deduction and report it properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.